Hello, today I show you the e46, the transmission fail. It's the light is on next to the D, next to the right wheel. Last time my car, the e46, the transmission go to safe mode, and I tell you how to fix it. But most of the car, the transmission go to the safe mode. You cannot drive far. But basically, you don't. If you go to the shop and they tell you to just change the whole transmission, or review it. But I tell you what I do. I just take out the valve cover, the transmission. I open the transmission out, and the valve cover there. I change all about 10 solenoid. You know the solenoid in the transmission. I change all 10 of that. You buy at eBay, the solenoid. I think just one solenoid broken or something. And my car, when it happened, you can just when it happened, you just instead you ride automatic, you just ride stick shift. They have a stick shift, the manual one. If you ride it smooth, the manual one you ride smooth, it means the solenoid in there. So you just change the whole solenoid, or you can take it out, and if you can check one by one if which solenoid is broken. So normally I change the whole solenoid, bought about $150 in eBay, and you change the whole solenoid, and after that it working good. If that's what I do with my e46. So I just tell you what to do. But the other car different, so hopefully you can do it. Take it out the valve cover. It's very easy. Just take like half an hour. Take all the about 30 screw and the valve cover in there, and you just change the gasket, change the filter, and change the whole solenoid, and that's for the transmission. And if you have any question, just ask. So if I can help, I help. If I, thank you for watching for my video. Bye bye.